Hello beautiful hearts. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to crochet this beautiful snowflake. Isn't it pretty? So let's get started. To crochet this pretty snowflake, here I am taking white color yarn. So make a magic circle. Into the magic circle, place chain 3, two double crochet, now make chain 4, place 3 double crochet, chain 4. Okay, so this chain 3, this beginning chain 3 is counted as a double crochet stitch, and including these 2 double crochet we made 3 double crochet chain 4, 3 double crochet chain 4. Okay, so 3 double crochet chain 4. Repeat this for 3 more times. I'll be meeting you in the end of this round. So here I am in the end of this round, and in the end I placed 4 chains. Now pull the yarn end to close the magic circle. Place a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. For row 2, slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. And slip stitch into this chain 4 space. Chain 1, and into the same space place single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, chain 6, single crochet into the same space, chain 4, and single crochet into the same space. Now chain 3, and then directly do a single crochet into the next chain space. And continue with the same pattern as we did here. So let me show you again. So we placed a single crochet into this space. Now make chain 4, single crochet into the same space, chain 6, single crochet into the same space, chain 4, single crochet into the same space, and chain 3. And into the next chain space place a single crochet, and continue with the same pattern of doing single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, chain 6, single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, and chain 3, and again repeating the pattern for the next space. So keep on doing, and I'll be meeting you in the end of this round. So here I am close to the end of this round, and I finished making my stitches into the very last space. And now I'll make chain 3 and slip stitch in the very first single crochet stitch. And you are done. It's a very pretty and easy and a fast pattern, so make for yourself, and it will look really beautiful. So cut off the extra yarn and weave in the ends. So I hope you love the tutorial, and this is a smaller one that I crocheted with a thinner hook and thin cotton yarn, and this with 3.5 mm hook. So hope you love the tutorial. Till then, goodbye.